Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Next Step Consulting. We are planning a small business workshop. We're putting together a small business workshop. It's going to be a virtual workshop for emerging and small businesses. We're going to have different stages of the workshop. We're going to be talking about your startup, starting up, and some orientation. We want to hear about that business ideas you have and how you would like to start. If you need help starting, if you need help with the registration, setting that up, opening a business account, we can assist you with that and refer you to um, companies that can, banks that can help set that up for you. We want to make this easier and smooth for you. We also have the stage two. We're going to be talking about the planning and operation. What are your plans for this business you have in mind? Let's help you with the planning and the structure of your business. Are you selling products? Are you selling services? Are you going to be running a store or are you going to be selling online? Let's talk about that and let's discuss your plans and let us know how we can help with that. And last, we're going to be talking about stage three, training, evaluation, and networking. While we are focused on trying to get you started and you have done all the planning, we have all of that structure going on. Now we want to train. Let's train, help you train your staff. You need help with customer service training, conflict resolution training, emotional intelligence training. We want to make sure that you and your staff, they're ready for customers, ready for clients. We want to help you with networking. Do you need help setting up that social media page? Do you need help setting up that website? We want to get you up and running. So while you have already your company name set up, it's registered, and you have your structure in place, you have your online store or building set up for your store. While you're doing both of that, we want to make sure that you're able to network, because at the end of the day, if you have a wonderful product you're selling or service you're rendering and no one knows anything about it, you will not be successful. We want to make sure that you are visible online and we can help post your pictures, your videos, your links, all of those things online. We're here to help. We're a very small business trying to help other small businesses as well. And we do look forward to meeting you. We look forward to working with you. We do have the registration link attached to this video. Go ahead and fill out the form. It's going to be virtual. We're hoping that will come to your city someday, but this workshop, this particular one, is going to be virtual. I look forward to seeing you online. You have a good day. Make sure you register. Like, so we're starting up, we are planning, and we are networking. We want to take care of those things. That way you're up and running and you're successful. You have a great day. I look forward to seeing you. Bye.